there's more than 80 ways to screw up an I-9 and 600 pages of content. And if you have a mistake on Form I-9, and again, there's a 55% chance or so that you will have a mistake, you can be fined $230 up to $2,292 per I-9. The average Form I-9 fine is about between $1,200 and $1,400 per form. So if you do the math of a company that you represent or that is your company, and you say, okay, we've got about a 50% error rate, and at a $1,400 per I-9 fine, that adds up very quickly, particularly if you're a big company. And like I said, we are seeing fines come back that are multi-million-dollar fines. The government's very serious about this. We are seeing warning notices in this environment, but you have to be pretty good. Your I-9s have to be really good to get a warning notice. Otherwise, they're going straight to the fine situation. And the range that you're seeing on there is kind of this complex compendium of factors, and the government doesn't have a full handle on how that is being calculated. So we're seeing a lot of interpretation, but just based on the number of audits that we handle, we're seeing that $1,200 to $1,400 range be the most common for the I-9s. And I will say, if your company is large, or companies you represent have had a lot of acquisitions, or a lot of turnover in HR, or a lot of turnover in employees, those are companies that we see the highest number of errors on their I-9s for. So that would be something that you would really want to think about, because you're sitting on potential lot of liability.